Hi, welcome back to She Is Melrose. If you're new, you already know the deal. Click that subscribe button below. Today we are doing a review on lashes. If you follow me on my social media, She Is Melrose on all platforms, you know I have a small obsession with lashes. Although my natural lashes are a little long, but to add that when we do our makeup, I want you to see how each style is different. Today's lashes haul is brought to you by Jolie's Beauty. If you guys have been following me for a while, you already know I did a review of Jolie's Beauty glitter palette. I did a red eye glitter. It came out smashing. Here it is in this beautiful packaging. And the reason why I went to Jolie's Beauty for the lashes haul, because they're vegan, they're cruelty free. You could wear these lashes up to 30 times. Excited because obviously they have lashes with my name, and all these 4 lashes are slightly different, but they have more of a wispy style, so it's similar to like the mink lashes you see out in the market. This is even great for beginners. It has like the directions right on the box. And if you guys like any of these lashes later on in this video, the links will be in the description box below. Let's get started. The first one was Lily. Now we're going to do April. April. Hey, that was cute. That was cute. We like April. April's adorable. Now we're gonna step it up. Step it up, step it up. We have Vivian. Okay, let's get a close-up of Vivian. And I didn't even mention this earlier, but they have a clear band, and I think that's really dope because I never have lashes with clear band. Vivian is more of my type of lashes. Not too basic, not too dramatic. Vivian's my go-to, but we're about to get our on. You heard? Okay, we are stepping it up with Melody. This is the moment we've been waiting for, so let's get to it. Melody did step up the wow factor. Okay, we're going outside like this. So that's a wrap. That's my lashes haul. Those are the 4 lashes I tried on. Remember the names. Check out the description box below. Zoom in on the website and see which one is for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Until next time, bye chica. Mwah.